you guys are here. Glad you're watching. Today's video is going to be about the 180 degree rotation. And well, let's just get to it, see what you think. Alright, so here's a demonstration on the 180 degree rotation, 180 degree rotation. So as you saw in the notes that where Ms. Bautista posted for you, the formula, the algebraic formula for the 180, so I'll just write this here. This is your 180 degree rotation. Now, for the 180 degree rotation, it's neither clockwise nor counterclockwise. It's actually both clockwise and counterclockwise. So unlike the 90 can be clockwise or counterclockwise. With the 90, the x and y change places, and then we make either the x or the y opposite depending on whether it's a clockwise or counterclockwise. On the 180, on the 180 degree rotation, you see that the x and y do not change places. The x stays as x and the y stays as y. What changes though is that the x and y become opposite of what they are. So x and y become the opposite of x and the opposite of y, and we notate that with the negative sign in front. So I've drawn out a triangle here, triangle ABC, points being negative 6, 3, that's point A, negative 2, 4, that's point B, and negative 1, negative 2 is point C. We're going to rotate 180 degrees. So what happens? Then this becomes 6, negative 3. This becomes 2, negative 4. And this becomes 1, 2. Opposite x, opposite y, opposite x, opposite y, and so on. So what does that new triangle look like? Let's see, we'll go pink in honor of Melanie. Melanie, are you watching this? Melanie, you need to be out here watching this. So we're going pink in honor of you. Okay? Melanie, pink in honor of you. Kevin, don't be scared. Here we go. Ready? We go 6, negative 3. So 6 and negative 3 is here. 2 and negative 4. 2 and negative 4 is there. And 1, 2. So 1 and 2 is there. Got it? So there's my 3 new points. We are going to trace them out. And I'll try not to smear. These pens tend to smear. Maybe it's the paper. I don't know. We'll see. Malachi, what do you think? Is it the paper or is it the pens? Alright, let's check it out. Here we go. Now what do we have? 6, negative 3 is right here. This is A prime. 2, negative 4 right here. This is B prime. And I made a mistake and nobody caught me. Well, how come you didn't say anything, guys? Come on now. This C prime is supposed to be at 1, 2. 1, 2 is here. 1 and 2. Come on, guys. Pay attention. Let's bring this up here. Okay. There we go. And that is C prime. Okay? A prime, B prime, and C prime. Disregard that. That was a mistake. Your fault because you didn't catch me. See, if we were sitting in the classroom, I would have done that, and somebody would have said, hey, that's not right. But here I am sitting at home with nobody to correct me. Okay, so that's the 180 degree rotation, 180 degree rotation. Now I'm going to show you a little trick here that we haven't done. Really neat little thing that you can do. I'll use maybe this light blue to show you. If I connect the vertices or the points from the image and the pre-image and the image through the origin, watch what happens. So point C and C prime through the origin And what do I get? Straight line. Pretty cool, huh? B and B prime through the origin. What do I get? A straight line. A and A prime through the origin. That's pretty cool. Now, what is that? What's a straight line? What is the measurement of a line? A straight line measures what? You guys should remember this. Remember? No, it's not 360. I know somebody said 360. It's not 360. A straight line is 180 degrees. When I rotate a figure 180 degrees, I connect the corresponding points, A to A prime, B to B prime, C to C prime. They will go through the origin and they make straight lines. That's pretty cool. Let me. Okay, so I've got triangle ABC, and I did a rotation to it till I get A prime, B prime, and C prime. Here's my points. I went -6,3 to -3,6. I did -2,4 to -4, -2. I did -1, -2, 2.2, -1. So this would have been the pre, and this would be the image. Okay? So what kind of rotation is that? The XY became opposite YX. The XY became opposite YX. The XY became opposite YX. So the X and Y changed places. What was the Y became opposite. So what kind of rotation is that? Here it is. Look at that table that we gave you. Look at your notes. Okay, this is a counterclockwise and it's 90 degrees. But let me show you a little trick. Remember on this one, up here, where I drew the points from the pre-image and the image to the origin, and you get a straight line. So what do you think will happen if I draw lines from the pre-image and the image through the origin? What do you think will happen? Well, I'll use that light blue marker again and watch. If I take, for example, point C, and I go from point C on the pre-image into the origin, and C prime into the origin, and you know what, I'll extend those out so I can measure them. Okay? Do you see where they come together here? That's 90 degrees. Don't believe me? I know somebody doesn't believe me. Where's our protractor? Where's our protractor? Malachi, where's the protractor? Ian, did you take it? You guys. Oh, there it is. It's hiding. There we go. Okay, here we go. Found it. Okay, there it is. Okay, see that? I'm going to put the protractor on there. How do I use the protractor? I line that little hole up right there at that point. Get that baseline going through that line, following it through, and look. See it? Right there. 90. Pretty cool. Does it work with all the points? Well, let's check it out. We'll do different colors. Make a mess out of this bad boy. How about green? Will green show up? Let's see how well green shows up. Okay. We'll go A and A prime. Okay, so here's A. We'll pull A through to the origin. Okay. I'm going to go A prime to the origin. I'll draw it all the way through. I'm going to go A all the way through. Okay, seeing that? So the green line is at 90 degrees. Well, you can already see visually that it probably is, but let's put a protractor on it just to make sure. And check that out. The green line, there we go. It's 90. See that? It's 90. Should I do B? Half of you say, no, we're done. The other half say, yeah, get it done, get it done. So here we go. Here's B. B and B prime. So B through the origin. I'll draw it way out so we can measure it. And then B prime through the origin. Okay, so that's in that purple. Okay. And sure enough, it's 90 degrees. See it? Okay. 90 degrees. So that's another way that you can tell what kind of rotation you have, but to test it, that's the way it works. So pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And I haven't said it before, but I'll say it again. Like, subscribe, and comment, and tell everybody that these videos are out there, because there's still a lot of you who aren't getting on here. So you guys who are watching this, get in touch with those other people. Ian, somebody got in touch with him because he started posting stuff, so good job. Talk to you soon. Oh, you're back. Just get out of this contraption. So I hope you liked that video on the 180 degree rotation. And like I said, tell your other classmates who aren't watching this that they need to get on it. There's still a handful who are not turning in assignments, and we really need you to log in and turn in your assignments. So if you know of people who have not logged in, please try to do your best to get in touch with them. Email Ms. Bautista, email me if you are having questions with your math. We'll do our best to help you out remotely. And if there's anything you want to see in the videos, email me. Say, hey, Mr. P, I don't get this. Can you do this? Can you show me that? I'll make a video. I'll put it up there and I'll show it to you, okay? Not a big deal. So make sure you click below, like, and subscribe, add comments, and tell your classmates about this so that they can keep up. All right, have a good one, guys.